This is an example of letter to inquiry. See, in starting of the letter, I told you that we are going to write down sender's address. But here, if you are an owner of any company, then such kind of papers can be used. You have your own company's paper. So, if you are writing a letter on such kind of papers, which are authorized, which are sign of your company, then there is no need to write down about your sender's address. Here this will work as a sender's address. After that, this is date and this is a reference number. If you are the owner of any company, then such kind of reference can be written. After that, this is receiver's address. Here, first of all, the brand name has been written here, and then complete address has been given. After that, your salutation and then your subject. See, you can see the importance of subject on I haven't read the letter, but after reading the subject, I'm very clear about it that this is all about my business, so I can read it very carefully. And after that, this body of letter is being started. So let us read the sample. Please allow me to introduce our concern as the largest suppliers of computers and peripherals, means accessories, to educational institutions in Tamil Nadu. So we are in business of supplying computers. हम क्या करते हैं, इंस्टीट्यूट्स को कंप्यूटर सप्लाई करते हैं. तो हम जो है ना स्टॉक में आपसे कंप्यूटर्स और एसेसरीज खरीदेंगे. For the new session, we wish to buy 400 new Intel Core i5 computers, 220 i5 laptops, 70 laser printers, 90 colored printers, the 3500 UPS, and a sizable quantity of peripherals. Okay, now see, I have just told about my bulk of order. That about this I want to know your quotations and all. So you can just tell, there is no need to, some of children, they just do one thing, that they just make a table, and if you just make a table here, then it shows that you are placing an order. But this is not, here you are not placing an order, so please don't write it, don't make a table here. Just to mention your order in this way, that about your inquiry. So could you please send us detailed catalogs of your products along with the best prices and terms and conditions, including mode of payment. Mode of payment is very important. That how would you like to take your payment? So please do let us know that what discount we can get on the order of this magnitude, and how much time your company would need to deliver the goods at our warehouse in Coimbatore is in Tamil Nadu. So here we are asking about, mainly we are asking about the products, your prices, best prices, your terms and conditions, that what are your terms and conditions, mode of payment, okay, and then that discount, and we want to know that how much time your company will take about for delivering it. So looking forward to hearing from you soon. Yours truly. Here this is subscription, and then the name of the person, and then the designation if you want to write it. So here this is a sample, and now let me give you homework. You are going to write down the letter. I'm giving you the statement. See, I'm telling you, this sample has been given from your BBC Compacta class 11. So you can just purchase it, BBC Compacta, and then you can see your then you can see your sample in that book also, because this is in our syllabus, so we are completing our syllabus also. Along with it, we had to do our letters, so I thought let us do it in BBC Compacta only. You can see here you can see this assignment has been given, classroom assignment 39, and this is your statement of letter. You have come across the following advertisement. This advertisement has been given. You are to read this advertisement first. in a newspaper and feel interested in taking up a franchisee of the company. franchisee of the company, franchisee क्या होती है कि आप उस कंपनी का ठेका ले रहे हैं एक तरीके से। जैसे बचपन है, बचपन एक ब्रांड है, एक ब्रांड है, और उसकी जो ब्रांचेज़ है ना वो जगह जगह खुल जाती हैं। तो आपको उसकी ब्रांच खोलनी है, उस कंपनी की ब्रांच खोलनी है अपने शहर में अपने पास। तो उसकी आपको फ्रेंचाइजी लेनी पड़ेगी, कंपनी को कुछ टैक्स देना पड़ेगा, जिससे आप उस कंपनी का जो है ना ब्रांड नेम यूज़ कर सकते हैं। Carefully read the advertisement and write a letter inquiring about details of the offer, basic terms and conditions, investment required, business viability in your area. So this is your homework. You are to do your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.